There are numerous brands of hand tools on the market, and you can select any type based on your needs. You may acquire any form of hand tool at any moment, whether it is high, quality, or long-lasting. Before purchasing hardware tools, it is recommended that you consider your unique wants, whether you are a professional tradesperson or a do-it-yourself enthusiast. It is critical to choose tools that are appropriate for the jobs you usually perform and to always take into account criteria such as product quality, performance, warranty, ergonomics, durability, and value. This is why we have done the research to provide you with 10 outstanding brands from which to choose the right type for your needs. But before that, if you're new to our channel, you should subscribe, and if you like the topic, go ahead and like this video. Number 1 brand of hand tools is Irwin. Irwin makes different types of hand tools and accessories. If you need good hand tool brands, then Irwin is the best option. They are always the best option because they provide tasteful and verified tool products and deliver them to all places. There are different types of products they are producing for their market or customers, like screwdrivers, tools, digital tools, pliers, hammers, levels, etc. You just need to check and select the best type of Irwin products as per your needs. Whether you are an individual business owner or trader, you can buy products from them easily. Select the best quality tools as per your needs. They will always provide quality products that last. They never provide cheap, quality products. Number 2 is Stanley. If you are looking for the best quality hand tools list, within those details, first you need to add Stanley Black & Decker's company name. They are one of the best tool manufacturers, and people will be able to get the best quality tools for different purposes. If you need to, you just need to visit their website, check their catalog, and then choose the best type of hardware tool manufacturer as per your needs. This manufacturing company was established in 1843. They have huge collections, and whether you need hardware tools, power tools, or digital tools, you will get any type of tool at any time. They also provide strong customer care and after-sales service. All products are tested and verified. They also include a wide range of products or tool catalogs. You just need to check that online. Choose the best product or tool and place your order. Number 3 is Craftsman. If you are looking for top hand tool brands, then Craftsman is the best company all the time. This tool company was founded in 1927. This company is the best at making handmade tools, but currently they also have digital tools, different types of machine tools, garden tools, etc. They always provide superior quality tools with a guarantee. They have an experienced team of people who inspect every product, and they always send superior quality products that last a long time. They provide good value as well. Whether you are good at craftsmanship or do it yourself, you will get good quality service all the time. Number 4 is DeWalt. DeWalt is one of the best hand tool brands, and it offers many benefits. DeWalt is one of the best and most renowned international tool companies. They provide both types of tools, like hand tools and power tools. In its extensive catalog of available hand tools, DeWalt's ratchet, wrench, hex key, and machine tool kits are among its top-rated products. They always manufacture a wide range of products, including workboxes, yard supplies, hardware, stands, etc. Check and select the best type of German woodworking equipment. They also provide strong customer care and after-sales service. They already have a wide range of products, and they will choose a single item from many items. Number 5 is Klein Tools. Klein Tools provides the best hand tools in the world all the time. They have production, inspection, and other processes as well. They are one of the old American tool brands established in 1857 and are well known for their superior quality production houses and inspection team. They already manufacture different types of screwdrivers, wrenches, and other tools that still shine with the company logo. Klein Tool is one of the most reputed brands and is best for company tools and hand tool purposes. Check and select the best type of tool as per your needs. Number 6 is Snap-on. A reputed and best hand tool company always provides the best quality support that lasts a long time. If you are looking for quality tool manufacturing, then Snap-on is the best option. This is one of the best companies because they can produce high-quality products on time. Among them, its wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers are considered to be the best in their class. They have many mechanics and industrial professionals who provide the best quality services all the time. There are different types of products they are manufacturing, and all types of products are inspected and verified. There are several factors you have to consider before selecting the best tool manufacturer for you. Whether you are a DIY user or a professional, you have to choose the best tool manufacturer all the time. Performance and quality are both very important. The tool can be of different types based on reliability, production, and efficiency as well. If you can choose the best quality tool, it will increase production, improve production efficiency, and increase work accuracy. Check and select the best type of tool as per your needs. Number 7 is Milwaukee. If you are looking for the best hand tools, then Milwaukee is one of the best companies around. They are one of the best tool manufacturers and provide the best quality products all the time. They always develop innovative products that last a long time. As per the client's needs and demands, they will analyze and provide the best solution. In the Chinese market, they are working rapidly and can deliver huge quantities to other people. The Milwaukee Electric Tool Corporation is an American company that develops, manufactures, and markets power tools. It is a brand and subsidiary of Tektronix Industries, a Hong Kong-based company, along with Ryobi, Hoover, Dirt Devil, and Vax. They also provide great discounts and great solutions all the time. They have a wide range of productions and they provide great solutions all the time. Number 8 is Eskhand. Eskhand Tools was established in 1920. They are one of the best manufacturing companies and make different types of tools. They manufacture different types of sockets, wrenches, nuts, and bolts. Eskhand is one of the best companies and they have the best professional hand tools all the time. Their business is aimed at providing you with the best quality products at the most competitive prices. They have rich experience in international service and a wealth of knowledge, as well as experience in the field of hardware and hand tools. Their products are produced under strict quality control. They can provide excellent advice and support to ensure you get the right products at the lowest cost. Number 9 is Chanelec. Chanelec is another good company, and this company was established in 1934. Presently, this company has a large production space of almost 230,000 square feet, and they deliver their products to 45 countries. They deliver products worldwide and already have customers in many countries, from Japan to the United States, Canada to Argentina, and many countries in between, and they are still expanding. Because of the success of their product in many countries, they are always looking for new distributors in other countries. Specifically, they are looking for experienced people or companies that know their home markets and will be able to effectively engage with medium and large customers. Number 10 is Foxwell. This is the world's highest quality hand tool brand that provides the best quality service all the time. They are the best Chinese tool manufacturer, and they provide the best quality, taste, and verified Chinese tools as per your needs. Whether you need a small quantity or a large quantity, as per your needs. This company has been working hard to get better options all the time. In the hardware tool industry, this company has already contributed a lot. They have advanced equipment and tool details. If you place a large order with them, they will also provide attractive offers and discount products. They offer screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, sockets, and various other hand tool sets. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. You can also share it with your friends and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video.